Hello team, today's challenge is Winter Games Day 15, Freestyle Skiing. We are given two lists of words, first words and second words, and we need to use those to test this string down here to make sure that the first word is in the first list, second word is in the second list. Should be pretty clear. Let's get it done. So over here, I've taken those lists and turned them into arrays, saving us some time. We don't need to you don't need to watch me do this part, okay? Because it's a whole lot of typing comments. But with these here, we have the valid first, the valid seconds. We can use them down here. The first step, though, is to get the first and second parts of this name, okay? We can do that by destructuring. So we are going to take that trick name and split it, okay? What are we going to split it on? Well, a string. If you wanted to use regular expressions here, you absolutely can, but they have promised right here that the two words will be separated by a single space. So based on that, we can shortcut a little bit. But if you really wanted to, in fact, I'm going to do it too. Here we go. Just like this, making it global. I don't think we need to, but there we are. We're splitting on spaces. As many white spaces as there are. Doesn't matter. We're just going to split on it. Now over here, we are going to do this part, and this is going to be the first and the second. Again, we are destructuring here so that we can use them. Now that we have this and we have our lists, we can test it down here, okay? So we take valid first, just like this, spell it right, dot includes. What does it include? Well, it includes the first, the first variable here, the first part, okay? And we also want to make sure that right here we have valid seconds dot includes second, right? There it is. And that should do it, right? It doesn't, not every challenge needs to be really fancy, but again, once we have our data sorted, doing the rest of this is very fast. Could we have come at it a different way where instead of splitting, we use regular expressions? So we combine these and these into a single regular expression? Absolutely. I tested that one. It is super slow compared to this one. This one was, what was it here? It was, like 4.5 million compared to a smaller amount for that second one where I joined it, I made a regular expression, I did the thing, okay? So quite a bit slower than our solution here, okay? This is it for today. This is just a really short challenge, really fast. We're just using these lists and comparing against them, okay? And the hardest part of this was honestly splitting that test string, okay? Once we did that, then running through the includes, doing the includes thing, pretty fast, okay? Did you find a different solution? Did you find a solution that you want to share? Hit me up in those comments. Otherwise, today this has been Winter Games Day 15 Freestyle Skiing, and I will see you tomorrow.